Want to mine free crypto on your phone in 2025? Here are 3 real mining apps you can start using today: Delta Network, TCC Network, and Sunset Network. They're all free, simple, and reward you daily. Let's dive in. First app is Delta Network, one of the fastest growing crypto mining apps today. Just open the app once a day, tap the button, and you're mining USCT tokens. The base mining rate is for USCT per hour. You earn 33% from each direct referral and 10% from indirect referrals. That means bigger teams bring faster mining speeds. There's a total supply of 300 billion USCT tokens, with most still available to early users. Delta also features a Mine Together mode, helping teams earn even more. If you're just starting, Delta is an easy and rewarding choice. Next, let's talk about TCC Network, a fresh and promising mining platform. TCC offers a base mining rate of 2 TCC per hour. It's as simple as tap and go. No technical skills needed. You can earn bonus tokens by inviting friends and building your network. TCC also offers daily tasks, helping active users unlock extra mining rewards. This project is still early, and that means high potential for long-term gains. TCC is perfect for users looking to join a project while it's still growing. Now meet Sunset Network, another exciting app making waves in the mining space. Users mine Sun tokens daily by logging in and completing simple tasks. The mining dashboard shows your current balance, team stats, and mining power clearly. Sunset also offers team rewards, invite friends, and boost your overall mining rate. The app has recently added new features like in-app wallet, KYC updates, and roadmap progress. Early users will get the biggest share of future token allocations. Mining is live, and the project is moving fast. Delta Network, TCC Network, and Sunset Network, 3 legit ways to earn free crypto every day. They're free to join, quick to start, and made for early adopters like you. Check the description for my referral links and join my mining team now. Let's mine together and grow your crypto portfolio in 2025. Warning: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing shared here is financial advice. Please do your own research before investing or using any crypto app.